Good evening, everyone. My name is Don Lashand, and today I'll be talking to you about military working dogs. Imagine running from an 85-pound dog that has 42 teeth and runs at over 30 miles per hour. And the only thing that it has on its mind is trying to bite you. I've been working in the military now with military working dogs for over 2 years. From the time military working dogs are purchased for the military, the training is never the same. We're always doing something new, even with our older dogs. There are strict protocol for purchasing puppies to training them and then releasing them into the military. I'll be going over today the process in selecting the best puppy for training, how different phases of training allow the military dog to continue to learn, maintaining and advancing the capabilities of our military working dogs. Now let's begin with how we select, I believe, the finest dogs in the world. There are guidelines in selecting a puppy to become a military working dog. Disposition of the mother and the father are both looked at. The mental and behavioral aspects of the parents. Series of tests are also conducted for the attitude, energy, and the drive for the dog. The puppy must display good enough sniffing behavior, such as curiosity and focusing. A puppy with a lot of energy shows us that they have drive. Drive is how we manipulate a dog to do things we're asking it to do. Trainers at Lackland Air Force Base have protocol training for all military working dogs. Training consists of patrol training and explosive or detection training. Drive is the energy it takes the dog. Drive is the energy that makes the dog want to hunt. This is a natural ability to find things such as food and water. As trainers, we manipulate the dog to have the need to benefit us. Patrol training is where we teach the dog to bite a person. Dogs are natural predators and they enjoy chasing things such as smaller prey, rabbits, for an example. We turn ourselves into that prey, though, as we run from them. The dog's ability to hunt for food is manipulated to find explosives or drugs. The dogs with the strongest drives are used to find drugs, as those can be some of the harder drugs for dogs to find we have found. There's only a slight difference between explosive and drug detection. Sniffing is a natural thing a dog does, and we use a continuous reward system for when the dog encounters certain odors. Now that our military working dogs have been initially trained, they must be maintained and go through advanced training. Maintaining and advancing military working dogs in the operational Air Force is my job and a lot of other handlers' jobs. After training from Lackland Air Force Base, these dogs are sent to their respective base. My dog and myself are from Eglin Air Force Base in Florida. That dog will be stationed at Eglin until he is no longer needed by the Air Force. A more advanced dog handler will be placed on a new dog, and rapport training will begin immediately. As a new team, they will be tested in abilities as a new military working dog team. As the rapport builds, the team will not only grow stronger in the aspects of training, they will grow a stronger bond. The team must maintain and advance through continuous training to maintain their proficiency. Before I conclude today, I want to show you guys all a brief demonstration of a military working dog and maybe a little bit of patrol work. I will soon be having military working dog Jimmy come forward and conduct this. Thanks. Ooh. That right there was just some basic patrol work that teaches the dog, once somebody aggresses towards the dog, that he is allowed to bite and take care of the aggression to stop it. So, in conclusion, when you see a military working dog, you will now know the journey that he has to take to become a member of the United States military and the dangers he encounters to protect you and your loved ones. Thank you for your time.